We are walking. Walking. Look at him walking. Hello.
Hello. Why you Rosa?
Tagal na. Itong babae.
Ito ang halak ko. Halak ko ito.
Kararap na kalimugmugan.
What's that? Cub.
Kalimugmugan. Hi, Kevin.
How you doing, Doc?
We walking now.
First to the casino.
Wow, look at you. Gonna go to the casino now, huh?
Yeah, yeah.
Here.
Close, sexy.
Oh, yeah. Close that way. Don't let Phil see you. Nice to see you doing so well.
I'm gonna hug you.
Did you get chemo today?
No.
No, but I
We
get
go this way so we can look
Yeah, sure.
out the window.
Yeah, that's
Only
a
that
nicer
they
view.
don't allow us to
That's a
get
much
out.
better view.
Is that open?
No, no. They're all closed.
Wow.
That side must
I
be
know.
more
And
expensive.
then I know, and then you go like that and the line goes off.
Oh, si Froy. Froy? Frey. Froy.
Kaya dito pala ito nagtago taong ito.
Kaya pala hindi
Hindi
makakuha.
makakuha.
Talagang ala.
Alapalos.
Dito ako ngayon sa side.
Ah, ganun ba? Kala ko nagkantago dito.
Hindi kasi si Rosa na dito kayo ikot ngayon.
Ha?
Yan.
Hindi pwede makato. Libre mo niya ang tanong dyan.
Ah, kung ano, magtanaw, okay lang. Akala ko naglalakad lang kayo. Pwede, bakit hindi?
Naglalakad pero magtatanaw naman para for a change.
Yeah.
Puro relo na lang nakikita namin doon.
Yan, maganda dyan.
At
Makita
saka
mo yung
yung-
mga kwan.
Saka yung
Maraming
luka na yun.
nakabikini dyan kasi naliligo sa swimming
Oh,
pool.
sige. Sige na.
No, you're blocking the... Yeah, that's not how to do it.
No wonder why the three stooges really don't get along.
Oops. That's it? We can't go out?
No, we cannot.
Not that much of a view.
Beautiful sight. They should allow us to go out here.
Look, you can see the mountain peeking over the clouds. Or not really over the clouds, but...
No, the dark one is the shadow of the clouds.
Right.
The white one is where it's exposed to the sunlight. Okay, we got to turn around.
I'll just tell you the story.
I'll do the story later on.
Hindi ka na lang to.
Ha?
Hindi ka na lang. Nililipat ka na ulit.
So, babahong ko ikaw.
Yan, maganda yan. Naglakad.
Para ba ito eh?
Oh, they're on his way detour.
Ay, may pulis ka nga ka niya. Then I have to send you out to buy a Powerball ticket.
That's what...
Because
Oh,
if I get that 90 million, Peter Mayday will not say no anymore. Let's go to California. She cannot say, I cannot afford the house there. How many houses do you want? You want 5?
good.
Pinurugan talaga dito, di ba?
Ta-da.
Ah,
You wanna go? Go out there. Who's that lady? Just kidding. What?
if he's tired, I'll run to our wing and I'll get the wheelchair. So go turn around, Glenn.
Turn around. I'll race you. Are we going straight or left? Or
Straight,
straight?
straight till we hit the wall.
Hmm. Look down, look down. Hello.
Kala ko pwede. Kasi ito mga 5 years ago. Ang vulnerability ng tao ay less than 86.
Tinatawag kita ang correction factor. Okay, correction factor.
Ooh, that's correct.
Always
Coefficient. I have that. Correction coefficient. Going straight? Straight to. Oh, sorry, I'm leading too fast. Oh, they have extra food there.
Look at the wall.
In the dictation room?
Yan, illegal parking.
Monday?
Illegal parking.
Idiot na nga.
Ah,
Idiot na nga.
Oh, oh.
may cake oh.
Kaya pala nagre-review.
May tawa yan ni Aso.
Hi.
Pero there was a time on the process. Sabi ko, paano kaya pagtanda? Paano kaya mag-ano? Ito nga din nag-uurol na kita nila pandi na ito eh. Nila na-pros. Tandaan, nahihirap ko.
Am I going too fast?
Ang sabi niya,